Okay, so here I got my Volkswagen to Mark 6. I'm gonna be changing the grill. I already took the emblem off. Basically, you have to pry it off. And I'll be putting this grill over here. Yeah, it looks way better. Cost me like 40 bucks on eBay. So first of all, what you gotta do is get inside of here. Pop the hood. Lift it up. Put this thing right here. Yep. So first of all, you got a screw right here. You got another one over here. You got another one over here. Another one over there. They're T25 screws. It's one of these star-shaped ones. T25. So put the drill on 1. 2. 3. And 4. Okay, got them all. Now take these screws off. Oh, I got scared. I thought I lost one. There we go. So now you gotta pull down here to get it like loose. So don't be scared with it, but be careful not to break them on it. And that sounded bad. Whatever. Okay, there we go. So now that you got it off, just set it up to the side and grab the other one. So I took the logo off of that one, put it on here, and put this thing over here also so it looks better. Yep, there we go. Okay. Okay, it slipped off. There we go. So there goes 1. There goes 2. I don't feel like you're using the drill because it's almost dead. There's 3. And there's 4, which I'm probably gonna have to use the drill for. Okay, I didn't actually have to use this drill for it. That was good. That one's good. This one's also good, I'm pretty sure. This one's also good. And that's good. Okay. So that was actually pretty easy. Now, put the hood down. And there we go. Friends, like way better. Looks way better. This one. Definitely cheaper, but what do I expect for like 30 bucks? So thanks for watching this video. Comment, like, and subscribe. Please comment what the next mod I should do. And yep. Okay.